Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the best Telegram movie bot channels. Alright, so let's begin. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to discover active and reliable bots and channels for streaming or downloading your favorite movies, all in just a few minutes. The most straightforward method to search for movie bots and channels is using Telegram's own built-in search feature. Open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. At the top or in the main menu, you will notice a small magnifying glass icon. Tap it like you are about to search for a friend. Now comes the key step, entering the right keywords. You can start broadly by typing movie bot or movie channel. If you want something more specific, try Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, or niche genres like sci-fi movies. For example, if you are a fan of mind-bending science fiction, searching for sci-fi movies can bring up channels dedicated to that genre. Let your viewing preferences guide your keywords. Once you have typed in your search, a list of results will appear. Here is where some gentle detective work comes in. Do not just click on the first option you see. Look at how many subscribers a channel has or how many users are active in a bot. Higher numbers often point to active communities with frequent movie uploads and better reliability. Browse through a few options and preview their recent posts. A well-maintained channel should have current updates, not outdated content from months ago. If you are unsure about a bot or channel, look for comments or reactions under posts. Active discussion or many thumbs ups can indicate that people are getting value and the movies are legitimate. If you do not find a channel that immediately grabs you, try adjusting your keywords or getting more specific, perhaps by using an actor's name, film year, or a particular language. Telegram's search is quite flexible, so experiment until you find something that matches your taste. Keep in mind, some channels and bots require you to join or subscribe before you can see their full offerings. This is normal and often helps the channel stay organized, and that's it. This is how you can find the best Telegram movie bot channels. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.